So, you're a business owner drowning in spreadsheets and wondering, do I need both a budget and a P&L? Or can I just wing it with vibes and hope? Well, here's the difference. The budget is your business's overly optimistic vision board. It's where you say, we're totally gonna make $1 million this year, while ignoring the reality of your actual sales. The P&L, profit and loss statement, on the other hand, is your brutally honest BFF who says, nice try, champ. Here's how much money you really made, or didn't. Here are 3 key differences between the two. Purpose. Your budget is a game plan, a wild guess you slap on paper and hope reality doesn't laugh at you too hard. The P&L is the referee who calls out your penalties and tells you how much money you've actually scored or lost. The timeline. Your budget is forward-looking, like a starry-eyed freshman who thinks they'll graduate in 4 years without switching majors. But your P&L is backwards-looking, like a cranky professor grading your messy assignments. 0 extra credit for your excuses. And the detail level. Your budget is high-level and vague, like saying, we'll spend $500 on marketing, when you really mean, we'll buy a round of Facebook ads and pray. But your P&L is painfully specific. You spent $423.57 on coffee meetings that produced $10 in sales. Good job. In short, the budget is your fantasy, the place where you dream of making millions and spending wisely. But the P&L is your reality check, the cold, hard truth of what actually happened. And you need both, because without a budget, you're flying blind and aimlessly. And without a P&L, you'll never know what crashed and burned. Together, they're the dynamic duo keeping your business from turning into a dumpster fire of confusion. Want to know how to whip up a budget or a P&L in a spreadsheet without breaking a sweat? Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how to make sense of all those numbers without crying into your coffee.